Today we're talking about taking charge of your AI strategy.
Why would you want to actually take on an AI strategy workshop? We view AI as the next major trend in digital integration. Connected devices are now able to learn and make decisions on their own. The 5 biggest companies in the world, they each have a phenomenal amount of artificial intelligence development. Having a strategy, understanding AI, and being able to understand how to apply it in your industry and your company is a core part of making sure that you're not left behind. It's either something that you embrace and tackle and move quickly on, or it's something that will likely be a major competitive barrier forever.
It's a one-day workshop that's very much customized on the specific requirements of AI. We've found that one of the most successful things about this workshop is that you can have someone in the room who has no idea what AI is, and you can have an AI prof and everything in between, and people absolutely love it.
Is there something here for the smaller organizations, or is this really the world of big companies?
It's definitely something that more and more smaller companies are able to use. And there's a huge groundswell of DIY kind of AI. One of the most useful places for this workshop is in the product organization.
2 other hotspots are customer experience teams and then also the employee experience, focusing HR teams from everything from attracting employees all the way through the employee life cycle. There's a huge opportunity for making connections between humans and machines and having teams come together. It's best done across an organization in many different groups. You're not only creating a roadmap of what to go do, but you're documenting what came out of that day. That can be bubbled up as an organization to try and see where do all of our people think there's an opportunity.
I encourage you to go check out how to run an artificial intelligence strategy workshop on school.lucidmeetings.com.